Welcome to my very first all things tiny haul. All things tiny home haul. I'm gonna have to work on that. It's a little bit miserable outside, so put my little candle on. Made myself what's now a cold banana bread sticky chai latte. Still alright actually. I'm going to share some of the tiny things and little things that I've been accumulating to kit out my van. So for anyone who doesn't know, I'm shrinking my entire life down. Basically live in a van. Here's my bag of food. Very aesthetic Sainsbury's bag. The supermarkets are available. I don't know how long this video is going to be. I've got not that many items, but enough to want to share. I bought this. It's so cute. Basically what inspired the interior colours and design that I wanted to go with. So it's like this, almost like a Tiffany blue, green, white. I know that's the label, but that's pink and vintage. So that's inside job that I want to do. And it's just one of these. So like everything, I'm going to be shrinking down makeup, my skincare, and yeah, it's just going to fit in here. All gold zips, let's say the Vintage Cosmetic Co. That I got in Home Sense for £12.99. I love it. It was the only one that they had there as well. That's why I like Home Sense so much, because you sort of got to get it there and then, otherwise you shit out basically. Oh, I also got these in Home Sense. These little measuring spoons. Pink, wanted like pale pink. £4.99, and they come with a little hook. They're actually really, really cute. They don't have as many as the old ones that I have, like as many spoons. I've only got 4 spoons, but really all I'm gonna need. I won't be able to hang them up whilst I'm driving because that noise will drive me insane. Okay, next. So one thing I want to try and do in my van, make a miniature picture gallery, or yeah, like a mini photo wall towards the back. I found these. Oh god, how am I going to do this? 3 photo frames. So nice. Like, honestly, this is so cute. It's the perfect pink, a little bit of gold. This one, I love this one. It looks really expensive as well. I actually like the little thing that comes with it in the back. And then this is like a sagey green sort of one. Yeah, like I honestly, they look really expensive as well. And this was, I think they were all like £6, £5.99, £5.99, £5.99. And honestly, I love them. The next thing I found was this traditional English tea. I didn't actually find this in Home Sense. I found this in B&M for like £4, £5, but not necessarily for the tea because I don't drink black tea anymore, just for the design. Look at it. It's so pretty. So when I do my little kitchen area, it can just be on display, looking cute. And again, the colours, the blue, the pink, the gold. The next thing I have is probably one of my favourite, and it's this tiny ladle. it's actually, it's just a little bit bigger than a tablespoon, I'd say. But a tiny ladle to scoop up my stew or soup. I love it. Dishwasher safe. Not that I'll have one of those. Cone ladle. $2.99. So I'm gonna try and look online and see if they do any more of them. That was from HomeSense. Cool. Phone cut out. Back to the ladle. Yeah, so basically, tiny ladle for my tiny living. Oh my god. Okay, no, I lied. That wasn't my favourite. This is my favourite. These salt and pepper shake. Yeah, really annoying. So that cut out. So I can't actually really remember where I was, but this is my Yvonne Ellen. These tiny, well, they're not tiny, they're regular size, but look at them. How cute. Little pearls, pepper pearl, salt pearl. And then it's quite nice in there. It's got the logo, Yvonne Ellen. That was from John Lewis. They were about £25, something like that. I wasn't leaving the shop without them. Finished talking about my tiny ladle, I think. And the final one is this tiny lamp. This was a toss-up between this one and one that was slightly taller. I went with this one as I was walking around. I saw this because it was smaller. It was the smallest out of all of them. It's just really cute. Touch to control, rechargeable battery, warm, cool, and neutral lights, USB powered. And in there is a USB charger as well. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Dimming, 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 dimming. Lighting, 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 lighting. So yeah, that is my tiny lamp. So yeah, so that is my first all things tiny haul. If you enjoyed this tiny haul and want to see more, then of course give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. I'm going to try and push out some more actual YouTube videos this week of the van and where I'm at with it. Follow along. I have no idea what I'm doing, but we'll figure it out together. I will see you in the next one. Bye.